first stock we're looking at now is Netflix, NFLX. As you recall, yesterday we went long this stock and actually got filled at a price of $247.55. Had my buy stop order in at $247.18. Got some slippage, of course, and let's see if that's where I'm long. The initial stop losses below Friday's low, right? So ISL, the initial stop losses, to review this real quick, is sitting at 240.61. All right, I'm risking $6.94 on this trade. Okay, and my first profit target is up at 258.93. 258.93 is P1, profit objective number one. Again, bought it at 247.55. We're trading about what, 243.47. So not looking great, but it's consolidated in here. I'm going to keep that stop where it's at. We'll review this tomorrow, see what happens. Again, sell stops in at 240.61. First target is 258.93 up in here. And the second market I want to look at today is the E-Mini S&P 500. Let me tell you what I believe is a rather significant level where I think we'd get another breakdown to the downside, right? A breakdown. This low right in here, if we're able to break down through that low, which is Friday's low of 1670.5, if we break down through 1670.5, I think the market will be able to drop back to roughly the 38.2% retracement of the swing up, and that should take us down to roughly 1641. So again, I think if we're able to break down through 1670.5, we could break down almost 30 points to the downside. Maybe not in a straight shot, but in the month of August. We'll just see, though. Look at these two bars here, the 23rd and the 24th. We had equal highs, 1694, 1694.5. Actually took out the 24th. We took out the 23rd's high by only 50 cents and created a bearish engulfing pattern. Took the market down the next 2 days. So what I'm saying is, if we have to break down through 1670.5, preferably on a closing basis. That would tell me that we would want, the market wants to go further. So the way you could play that to the downside is buying SDS. SDS. That's the inverse S&P 500 by twice. Let's put that on. I'll show you what that looks like. All right, this is SDS. So SDS goes up in price as the overall market goes down. SDS is the opposite of SSO. SSO mirrors the S&P 500, but it's 2 times the ETF to the upside, and SDS is the inverse. So again, this moves up as the overall market goes down. So again, if you think, again, SDS or the E-Mini S&P 500, if you feel it's going to break to the downside, you could buy SDS, or of course you could always do VXX, right? That will move to the upside as the market goes down or up as well. As the market moves to the downside, VIX should move up in price. So that is a way to play that market. As you can see, Apple is really starting to break higher. Again, back in here, I was telling you that I thought the market would move higher, that Apple would move higher, that we were probably at a double bottom here, at least for the short term. Right, testing this low. Market has in fact moved up quite a bit. What I was personally doing, though, down in here was waiting for some type of pattern, either an inside pattern or an engulfing pattern to the upside, and I never saw that down in here, unfortunately. So that's where we're at there. Again, back to Netflix. Again, we're looking for this market to bounce up, but we've got our protective stops in place. And that's really all I have for you today. Have a profitable day, and I will talk to you tomorrow morning. Bye for now.